Welcome to another episode of the Scran line. I'm Nick, and today I'm going to show you how to make this easy one bowl chocolate fudge cake. It's covered in silky smooth, indulgent chocolate fudge frosting. It's really easy. Let's get stuck into it. Let's begin by adding the dark chocolate and butter to a large heat-proof bowl. We're going to microwave this for 30 seconds at a time, stirring each time until it's melted. To that, you're going to add your oil, vanilla extract, and your caster sugar, and you're going to mix that in. Next, we're going to be adding our 3 eggs. Mix that until it's well combined. Sift in your all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and salt, and then stir it in until there are no dry ingredients showing. You want to be careful not to overmix your batter here. Want to know the secret ingredient to making the best chocolate fudge cake? It's the boiling water. You can use hot coffee if you prefer. I'm just going to make my own by adding some coffee powder into some boiling water. It reacts with the baking powder in the batter and helps boost this in the oven, giving it lots of air and making it super fluffy. It elevates and intensifies the chocolate flavor, and it helps, now brace yourself, make this really moist. Once you've mixed it in, and by the way, this is a really thin batter, that's completely normal, pop it into 2 8-inch cake tins and then place it in the oven for 50 minutes on 130 degrees Celsius. Let's move on to making the ganache, or the chocolate fudge frosting. Add some dark chocolate, heavy cream, some butter and salt, and a little bit of brown sugar for some added sweetness into a heat-proof bowl. Same deal, we're going to be melting this 30 seconds at a time, stirring each time until it's nice and smooth. Now, you don't want to pop this in the fridge to chill, you want to let it set at room temperature. Once it has set, you want to pop it into the microwave for about 10 seconds if it needs it, to soften it back to spreading consistency. Our cakes have baked. We're going to pop them onto our serving plate, add some chocolate ganache on the first layer, spread it around, then add the second layer of cake and cover the cake in frosting. Now, I decided to do something a little bit different on top of the cake. Rather than piping swirls, I decided to just pipe it randomly using a Wilton 1M tip to kind of make it look like the ganache is dancing on top of the cake. This cake is ready to serve right now. Dig in, grab a fork, and look at that beautiful, fluffy, moist, just delicious, intense chocolate cake. Recipe is on my website, thescranline.com. I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. Give the video a like. Make sure you grab the recipe, print it for free on my website. I can't wait to hear what you guys think. See you on the next episode of the Scran Line.